Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about COSTCO, which was up yesterday after reporting earnings on Thursday after market close. Before I do so, let's take a look at the price movement and statistics. So COSTCO, ticker symbol COST. As you can see, Friday, yesterday, up 5.09%. After hours, up 0.23%. Past week, up 3.59%. Past month, up 8.7%. Past 3 months, up 1.69%. Past year, up 22.43%. And past 5 years, up 111.19%. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at the statistics. In terms of the 52-week range, it's on the higher end of the range. Market cap is $100.36 billion. P ratio is 30.87, and dividend yield is 0.918. So that was the statistics. Scrolling down a bit. I actually had a history with COSTCO. If you look at at one point, my average cost basis was $162.29 per share. But I sold that for a profit, and currently I have COSTCO at a higher average cost basis. So as I mentioned, COSTCO reported earnings after market close on Thursday, which caused the stock to surge after reporting earnings. Let's take a look at the earnings. So COSTCO beat by 31 cents, misses on revenue. Q2 GAAP earnings per share of $2.01, beat by 31 cents. Revenue of $35.4 billion, up 7.3% year over year, misses by $250 million. So as I mentioned, after it gained on Friday after Q2 results, that beat on earnings per share, but misses on revenue. 7% year over year. Q2 membership fees were $768 million. Adjusted comps were up 6.7% for the total company in the quarter, with the US up 7.2%, and e-commerce comps were up 25.5%. So overall, fairly positive earnings report. Taking a look at the press release directly from COSTCO. So scrolling down a bit, net sales for the quarter increased 7.3% to $34.63 billion from $32.2 billion last year. Net sales for first 24 weeks increased 8.7% to $68.94 billion from $63.4 billion last year. Scrolling down a bit, here are some of the numbers. I'm not going to go too in depth into these numbers. And reported net income for the quarter was $889 million compared to $701 million. And net income for the first 24 weeks was $1.66 billion compared to $1.34 billion. And the company reported net sales of $10.72 billion, an increase of 5% from $10.21 billion last year. And for the 26-week period ended March 3rd, 2019, net sales were $74.42 billion, an increase of 8.6% from $68.51 billion last year. And February's sales were negatively impacted approximately 1% by weather throughout the US and Canada. In addition, Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year occurred 11 days earlier in February this year, negatively impacting February's other international sales by approximately 4.5% and total company sales by approximately 0.5%. And COSTCO currently operates 770 warehouses, including 535 in the US and Puerto Rico, 100 in Canada, 39 in Mexico, 28 in the United Kingdom, 26 in Japan, 15 in Korea, 13 in Taiwan, 10 in Australia, and so on. So majority of the warehouses are in US and Puerto Rico. So that was the earnings report and press release. Let's take a look at the analyst ratings. So taking a look at the analyst ratings, 13 analysts give Costco a buy rating, and this is in the next 3 months. 14 analysts give it a hold, 4 analysts give it a hold rating, and 0 analysts give it a sell rating, with an overall rating of strong buy from 17 analysts. Taking a look at the price target, Costco's average price target is $245.50 per share, with 7.76% upside relative to the current price of $227.82. And on the lower end, the price target is $220 per share, and on the higher end is $270 per share. And this is in the next 12 months. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Costco? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links in the description below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.